important that the PNP is part of the respondents kasi ang PNP ang siyang merong command over these assailants. Namely, yung mga assailants po dito ay pumunta doon sa bahay ng isa sa mga pinatay, si Marcelo Daan Jr. And yung mga nadatnan doon ay walang awang pinagpapatay, in cold blood, execution style. They were just playing pool. It was a quiet Sunday afternoon. And they were just passing time. Naglalaro sila ng pool kasi merong pool table doon. Nagpapahinga. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, dumating ang mga kalalakihan in civilian clothing. Meron ding mga babae na kasama. Ito yung mga informants. And without any warning, they descended upon these poor men. 5 sila, and tinalian sila ng kamay, yung 2 pinusasan, tapos hinalugog yung bahay. All the while, tumatawa sila, sinasabi nila na they are illegal drug suspects, their Miranda rights were not read to them, hindi rin nagpakilala ng mga policemen. And then what happened was, dinala sila sa likod ng bahay at doon pinaluhod, pinatay. Pero merong isang nakatakas because he played dead. Ito si Efren Morillo, and he is one of the petitioners in this petition for the writ of amparo. And despite this gunshot wound doon sa kanyang malapit sa puso sa dibdib, tapos tumagos sa tagiliran niya. Kasi yung bahay kung saan nangyari yung krimen, tabi lang ng isang ravine, tabi ng isang bangin, and he was able to crawl outside of the house. Tapos nagpadulas siya doon sa bangin, he crossed the stream, he trekked up the hill doon sa kabilang side, and he was able to get help. That is why we are here now filing this petition, because of this courage of one of the petitioners, si Efren Bonillo. So